Hello, welcome back to it's gonna be a blog, another programming blog. In my last blog, I was showing you guys what projects I was working on, and I was trying to figure out what I can do to update my resume, and I've been thinking about it. I've been thinking, um, like what can I do to improve my resume, and I kind of came up with two games, and I ended up choosing one of those games. Basically, I was thinking of making well, before I actually mention which one game I was gonna be making, I need to um, how will I say this? How can I put this in words? I need to work on my AI skills. I guess you could say. I mean, I could do a little bit AI, but I need more practice on them, make them better. I never gone in really deep in AI or enemies. Yeah, AI basically. So that's why I want to make a game based on AI. So I was thinking of making what in this game that I'm gonna show you. I'm thinking of making basically two teams of let's say five soldiers in each team, and they're gonna go against each other without. And I'm not gonna be controlling them. They're gonna be controlling themselves. It's AI, and they're gonna be going through this maze or some sort of maze kind of level, and they're gonna find each other and try to kill each other, basically. I guess you could say, and see which teams is the winner. At least that's the idea right now. It could change along the way as I'm progressing, or unless you guys have any other ideas at the moment. And in the future, once I'm kind of done with this, I'm kind of thinking where you're able to control one of the teams. Not control in the sense of you're able to attack them, but you're able to spawn them in certain locations, I guess. I guess you could think of a Clash of Clans kind of thing, where you're able to. Yeah, I left that to the end because that's a little bit more. That's diving in more deeper because you have to figure out where to spawn your troops or where to lay. I have to figure out where I'm gonna lay the enemies basically. So it's basically like a tower defense if I'm going. But I'm leaving that to the end. Maybe I'll do that. I don't know yet. But I'm gonna show you what I have. Um, should I make the camera closer to the cam? Okay, I'll do that for first. I'll do that for now. So basically, I have a maze that's randomly generated because I have this code that randomizes a maze. So basically, this is the guy. It's basically something I made in Blender, and it has a weapon. But it's not doing anything right now. Just right now, it's doing a star throughout the maze and going from one location to the other location. And not sure if it's gonna be slow trying to do this because I am recording. Oh, there we go. So basically, it's going to traverse through the path throughout the maze. This maze is being randomly generated, though. Letting you guys know. I have the code actually. I mean, I didn't want to make the map myself because I kind of suck at making maps like that. So why not make code that'll randomize it for you, right? So I'm gonna move the camera a little bit higher, like the top view. So this is basically the maze and the guy that you saw earlier is up top here. So it's gonna traverse through the maze and it's gonna traverse all the way down here. So it's doing a star from this position where my mouse is at all the way down to the bottom right corner. So, I mean, when I make the game, it's not gonna be this completely huge maze because there's a lot of stuff going on right now, right? There's a lot of stuff, and doing a star in here is gonna be crazy. And I don't know. I'm trying to figure out. I mean, in my mind, it looks amazing, but I don't know how it's gonna happen when you see it in the game. Um, Right? Everything in your mind always looks amazing, right? Because you have everything in your mind, and it looks awesome. So this means it's already traversing. So I mean, the issue with this in the future is that if you can, right now it's just one AI going on up here, but I'm gonna have at least 10, maybe more, if I want to have a lot more in here. So it's gonna be tremendously laggy. I believe so. It should be at least. And so what I was thinking is probably I'm gonna have to go into CUDA. So it does the pathfind the it does the yeah A star pathfinding in there to calculate the positions. Um, the only thing thing I'm thinking, I still have to figure out how I'm going to be doing it because I'm still not. I'm not an expert in CUDA. I could do the basic things, like for the Collada animations for the servant grunt that you've seen in my other game in the previous blog where he was animating all that. He's actually using CUDA. The animation he's using CUDA to calculate all the skin vertices, and yeah, because you need it, right? Because before in my one of my demo projects, I guess I could show you right here a video of it or whatever. Um, Right here, I was actually pre-skinning them. So basically, what I was doing was creating a model for every animation frame. So it had a whole bunch of models that I was going through, and depending on the keyframe, it will choose that model. So it was already pre-skinned. I was just choosing a model. And when I look into the CPU, what's the CPU? I mean, memory usage that game was using was 200,000 megabytes. That's a lot because I was doing a lot of animation models, and that's not cool. But I mean, it was a demo project, so I guess it doesn't really matter. But if you actually making the game, that will matter. So the reason why I use CUDA, and I could do a lot more stuff in CUDA now because of that reason. So I'm thinking of doing A star in CUDA. I've never done that before, but in my mind, it doesn't seem too hard. But it will take me a while to do. So the issue here, I mean the issue, the what I'm thinking about now is, I mean, I'm gonna show you guys through the process. I'm gonna be delaying the other 3 games that I show you guys. I'm gonna put them on hold. I apologize, but I need to figure out how to improve my resume. Cause that's what I need right now. So this is what I'm doing. I'm gonna delay my other projects. Apologize if you guys really were into it or was thinking like really going to. But I think this project could be really better, a lot better. So I mean, I'm not sure if I want to record my process as I'm building this game, or record it and speed it up the entire way to the finish, or speed up in certain sections depending, and then you guys hear me talk once while I'm doing certain sections of the game, or I should not speed it at all. So that's the next thing I won't think of doing. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do it yet. I mean, if you guys have any ideas or you guys prefer one of those, then cool. Let me know. So yeah, I mean, the reason I did this blog was because one of you guys actually recommended me to do a lot more of these, and it does benefit me and it benefits you guys. As you guys can see, you could probably learn something out of it, or I don't know. So, I mean, if you have any suggestions, if you want me to speed it up, or just me doing the entire video without me speeding it up, as I'm doing this project, or maybe you speed up in certain sections, I don't know. Let me know. Otherwise, you guys will see when I start doing this video. Yeah, I guess this could be cool. Look, this guy's still going down here. He's down here. I guess he's gonna go all the way down here. Oh, I'm guessing this is the path. I'm not sure which path is gonna. Oh no, it's blocked. It's blocked. It's gonna go up here then. Yeah. Guessing that's the best path, but I know it's gonna come down here. This is the path it's gonna choose, but so yeah, this maze is being randomly generated. It does it every single time, and I had this code ever since I did my last demo project in college because I didn't want to create the maze myself because I kind of suck. So why not do code, make a code out of it, right? So, excuse me, guys. But yeah, that's my plan. Make a team, 2 teams, where one is gonna, where they can go against each other and see who wins. Um, so I was thinking make it one team will be soldiers and the other team will be either a mix of soldiers and monsters. The monster, of course, is gonna be the servant grunts because that's the only ones that have animation on them. Another thing I gotta figure out is how to lay the camera. I think once I figure out the level, because this level or this maze is too huge, so I may need to expand uh, the grid size on this. So it could be bigger blocks, or I don't know. To be honest, I don't know what I want to do with this just yet. Hmm. But anyway, so yeah, yeah, I think I'm gonna expand this grid size, all the cell blocks a little bit bigger, because right now they're 10 meters long, or yeah. Okay. So yeah, I mean, this way, so he finally reached his destination. Oh, I forgot to stop it. I forgot to change um its date once it reaches the last. But so yeah, that's the plan. Um, so I hope you guys like this video, this blog. It's gonna be short. You know, if you have any suggestions, yeah, then cool. I apologize if I'm a delay or put on hold the other 3 projects I was gonna do, but I really need to update my resume, and I think this is a great thing for me to work on because I need to improve my AI, improve the way I start coding them, and I rarely touch the state machine, so that's what I'm gonna be doing. I already kind of have state machines, kind of similar to what I did in the Joshi Maze game. So I'm actually using those state machine code with inside of here. So I guess it was useful, right? I need to put that in my engine. I don't have to keep copying over and over again. But yeah. So this is the plan, guys. I hope you guys are really into this. If you have any suggestions on anything with this project, let me know. If you want to see something better or you want to see something in here, let me know. So, but yes, I will be touching CUDA in here. Or maybe I should start doing. I mean, it'd be great if I do CUDA and A-star anyway. It'll be cool. It'll be a lot better. And I'm not sure if it's even reason. Is there really is a reason to do CUDA in A-star at all? Should there? I'm not sure. I'm gonna look it up. If people have done it before, because I don't want to be doing this, and there's no reason for me to do it at all. Um, but I guess I'm gonna test it out first, and if it starts lagging, then I'm gonna start doing CUDA on it. But so if I do go the route in CUDA, don't expect anything great coming out of it because I'm still not. I guess not. I'm not 100% good at it because I just know the small basic stuff. And I only did it once with a lot of animations, and that took me a while to do with CUDA, but I have it working and it's cool. And yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video, and we'll continue where I left off, or I'll continue doing this maze game. I mean, this team. I'm calling it AI team battle, so that's what I'm gonna name it for now. So I'll start making the AI team battle videos. So I'm gonna put on hold the other stuff. So if you have any suggestions, feedback, or anything, let me know. Put it in the comments, message me, whatever, and I'll gladly put it up. So, thumbs up this video if you guys liked it, and I'll see you guys next time. Signing out. Sayonara.